So if you're new to cannabis or you find yourself on the fence, what I can tell you is that it is absolutely okay because I was too. It was tough to talk to close friends and family who were around me. It was tough to talk to my doctor. It was tough to have an intelligent conversation with anyone who had experience with this plant medicine. But the truth is I tried it and it made all the difference. We have a safe regulated system set up here in Louisiana, and they have safe and regulated systems set up throughout many states with medical programs, with licensed pharmacists and very educated bud tenders that can help guide you through the process. And by visiting our site, TeleLeaf.com, or calling and speaking to one of our customer service representatives, we will personally guide you through this process. It is new. No one likes change. It can be scary, but I can tell you it can make all the difference in your life. Please trust us in this. And if you need any help or any guidance, please log on to teleleaf.com or call us, and I'll even speak to you personally.